sitting in your passenger seat, and first we talk about your grandfather clock, and then we turn up the radio and sing, sing, sing along. Then I'd roll down the window 'cause we're getting far, crossing lines we can't see, healing scars. Take a look in the rearview. It's getting dark, and we're closer and closer to who we are. I open my eyes, and you're all I can see, and you're right here, and this is how it should be. Well, can you tell by now that I like you a lot? 'Cause you're my mystery, so can you tell me please, have I ever been the girl sitting in your thoughts? I'll roll down the window 'cause we're getting far, crossing lines we can't see, healing scars. Take a look in the rearview. It's getting dark, and we're closer and closer to who we are. So why don't you pull out some film here? We'll take some photographs of ourselves, and you'll make silly faces, and I'll kiss you on the cheek. You'll put a flower in my hair, and we'll play hide and go seek, hide and go seek. Then we'll roll down the window 'cause we're getting far, crossing lines we can't see, healing scars. Take a look in the rearview. It's getting dark, and we're closer and closer to who we are. Who we are is who we are. Then I'll roll up the window 'cause it's getting cold. Tell me stories of when you were how old. You have a sparkle in your eyes, and I have a smile. I'd be lying if I told you I couldn't stay here for a while.